Oh, great. It's raining. But, ooh. There's water. Looks fun to me. Oh, hey, Mr. Kat. Meow. Hello there, Raccoon. How are you today? Well, it's raining, and so we're gonna get soaked. Yeah, because we're plush toys. What do you want to do? Get wet? Of course! Even though cats don't like water, we're gonna get wet! Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Come on, let's get under it. Whee! You try it. Okay. Large raindrops. Oh, the wind's rising, but I know what to do. I'm going to put my whole head in the pipe. I can get in there. I can get in there. I can get my whole self in there. Ooh, I'm wet. It looks fun. I hope you're safe in there. I'm all soggy now. Full of water. Rain is surely fun. Sure is. I'm not gonna go under there. I don't want to get myself all soggy. Okay, serves enough. Achoo! Well, serves you right for being in the rain, Raccoon. Next time you should just stay in your little den. Yes. Oh. I just wish I didn't have this illness. Well, okay. In fact, if you want, let's see a little video that our favourite lion, Leo, did. Let's check out right now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Delicious chocolate. And I wonder if this egg can move and talk like I can. Okay then, open it up. Goo, 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 goo. Well, at least that was interesting. Hello? Huh? Huh? What's going on? Where am I? You're with me and you're just a regular Cadbury chocolate egg. No experience whatsoever. Delicious chocolate eggs. Whoa. Just what are you doing to me? I'm not a chocolate egg, I'm just a piece of foil. I want you. Oh, I need to get out of this foil. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Quite good, quite good, quite good. Chomp, 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 chomp. Well, that takes care of that. Oh, now I can be an Easter egg again. Nom nom nom. And yeah, the egg has eaten them up. Well, I'm feeling a little bit better, but I'm still wet. Wow, wow. Oh well. I better get him. Whee! Surely it's good out there. But I'm still wet.